In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download files in Grok. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go, what to click, and how to save your file to your computer without any confusion. Start by opening your web browser and heading to grok.com. Once the site loads and you're in your workspace, we'll move straight to where your files live so you can grab the one you need. Look over to the left-hand sidebar. This is your main navigation area in Grok. Here, find your profile icon. It's usually a small circle with your photo or initials, and it often sits near the bottom of the sidebar. That icon is the gateway to your personal options and content. Click your profile icon. A menu or panel will open with several choices tied to your account. From that menu, click on Files. This takes you to your Files page, where you can see the items you've stored or that are available to you. On the Files page, locate the file you want to download. You can scroll through the list, sort if sorting options are available, or glance through folders and names to spot the right one. If your library is large, take a moment to scan file types and dates to quickly narrow things down. Once you've found the right file, click on it. The file will open in a viewer so you can confirm it's the one you want. Give it a quick look to make sure the contents match what you expect. With the file open, move your attention to the top right corner of the viewer. You'll see a small set of icons there. Typically, there are two icons, and one of them is the download option. It often looks like a downward-facing arrow or a tray with an arrow pointing down. Click the download image icon. As soon as you do, the download will begin. Most browsers save the file instantly to your default downloads location, commonly your downloads folder or your desktop, unless you've set your browser to ask you where to save each time. If a prompt appears, just choose your preferred folder and confirm. Keep an eye on your browser's download indicator to see when it finishes. If you don't see a file appear, double check your browser's download bar and make sure nothing was blocked. Also, ensure you're viewing a file you have access to. For images and other common file types, this process is the same, and that's it. Go to Grok, open your profile menu, choose Files, pick your file, and click the download icon. You're all set to save your content locally whenever you need it.